Have you ever thought about mining cryptocurrency right from your home? An idea that once seemed like science fiction is now a reality. Let's dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining is a process where transactions for various forms of cryptocurrency are verified and added to the blockchain digital ledger. It's the backbone of the crypto world, ensuring transactions are secure, decentralized, and free from manipulation. Now, here's the catch. You don't need a supercomputer to start mining. The magic of technology has made it possible for anyone with a regular CPU to join the race. Yes, you heard it right. Your home computer could be your ticket to the world of cryptocurrency mining. In recent years, cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm. With the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the energy-efficient Zephyr coin, mining has become a crucial part of the ecosystem. Anyone with a computer can potentially participate in this digital gold rush. Why should you consider CPU cryptocurrency mining? Well, let's dive into the benefits, starting with energy efficiency. Unlike traditional GPU mining that gobbles up power like there's no tomorrow, CPU mining is a more power-conservative method. This makes it not only a cost-effective choice, but also a more sustainable and environmentally friendly one. Yes, you heard it right. You can mine cryptocurrencies while keeping your carbon footprint in check. Now let's talk profitability. With the right choice of cryptocurrency like the rising star Zephyr, CPU mining could be a gold mine. Zephyr, for instance, is designed to be CPU-friendly, making it a lucrative option for miners. And the best part? It doesn't require a hefty initial investment. Finally, remember this: CPU mining isn't just about earning. It's an opportunity to participate in the digital revolution, to contribute towards a decentralized future, and to make a positive impact on the environment. CPU mining not only offers you a chance to earn, but also to contribute towards a more sustainable future. So, how do you get started with CPU mining? Well, let's dive right in. The first step is to decide which cryptocurrency you want to mine. There's a smorgasbord of options out there, but for beginners, the Zephyr coin is a fantastic choice due to its profitability and energy efficiency. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to set up a digital wallet to store your hard-earned cryptocurrency. There's a heap of free, secure options available, so pick one that suits your needs. Next, you'll want to connect to a mining pool. Think of it as a team of miners working together to solve complex mathematical problems. The rewards are then shared among the team. It's a great way to start mining without needing top-tier hardware. And there you have it, you're now ready to start mining. Remember, the process can seem daunting at first, but with a little patience and perseverance, you'll get the hang of it. With a few simple steps, you can begin your journey into cryptocurrency mining. What could you potentially earn from CPU mining? Now that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Or should we say the million crypto question? The answer, as with many things in life, is it depends. Successful miners have turned modest CPU power into substantial earnings. For example, some miners mining Zephyr cryptocurrency coin have seen their profits skyrocket. It's a testament to the potential of CPU mining. However, earnings can vary widely based on factors like the chosen cryptocurrency, the power of your CPU, and the ever-changing market conditions. Today's hot coin might be tomorrow's digital dud. That's why it's essential to do your own research and manage your expectations. Remember, CPU mining isn't just about the potential financial gain, it's about participating in a groundbreaking digital economy. It's about being part of the future. CPU mining offers an exciting opportunity to participate in the new digital economy. So why not start your CPU mining journey today?